Alright, so here's update number 3 on my 1955 Chevy Cameo. As you can see, I have it in blue with silver. You can get the idea where I'm going with that. So, I got the bed mounted to the chassis here. This is looking really good. Got some of the chrome work on it there. It's looking okay. Tailgate opens real nicely. Need to do some detail work on the tailgate. Some more chrome pieces that need to go on. Hey, it's on. It's okay. Let's move to the cab. So, a lot of people have talked about the windows on this cab. They go in from the outside. They snap in from the outside. But the problem I had was these rear windows didn't fit in there. They kind of had a hard time snapping in. So there's kind of some glue marks that I got to clean up now. And the front window, if you put the visor on there, it kind of goes underneath and tries to work itself in there. And then there's a gap along the window there, along the window and the body right there, there's a gap. So I guess that's what they're talking about. Very strange. I think it would have been easier if it was just one of those big canopy things you just put in underneath. But then when I put the interior in with the firewall doesn't want to sit properly along the body here. So I'm having a little problem there, so I'm going to have to, when this dries, so I'm going to have to test fit this onto the chassis here, see if it works with the motor, because it's coming out, let me get my X-Acto here, it's coming out along the edge here, where over here it's flush, it doesn't want to sit properly, so it's kind of goofy. So as you can see, I painted it blue and silver, metallic blue, and the silver. I started trimming around the windows here. As you can see, I need some touch-ups here. That wasn't perfect, but yeah, no, I'm just updating you guys on what's going on here. And yes, there is a window issue, and it seems to be a firewall issue right now. So we'll see if the firewall issue is a kit issue or my issue, and I'm gonna keep working on it, and I'll give you guys another update later on. So I'll catch you guys later, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. Right, I'm always here. That was my thumb. Maybe if I was further back, you could see that. There it goes. Whew. All right. Hey, I'll see you guys later. Take care.